Hello my maths ninjas, welcome to part 2 of Roman numbers. I hope you have watched the previous video. If not, I would suggest first pause this, watch the previous video and then again come back to this. So let's have a quick recap of what we have studied. So in order to understand and able to write the Roman numerals, the first thing is that we should know the symbols of the different numbers. So let's write that. I hope you remember and you have created your own acronym also. What was that? I visited to exciting lake, counting, dancing, mosquitoes. What was that? I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for the 1000. That is a millennium, right? So in today's video, what we're going to do is we will write and we'll understand how to write the numbers in case they are given in the symbolical form. So to begin with, the very basic number, if I suppose have I. So I can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, that makes it 3, right? Now, if I suppose I have to write VII, that can be written as 5 plus 1 plus 1, which makes it 7, right? So this is how we write the numbers in the Roman numerals. Say LX. So how I will write LX? L is for 50 and X is 10. So this number is actually 60, right? So let's have a task for you. You try to write the number CLVI. Yes. You can pause the video, try writing the answer, give 5 seconds to yourself. CLVI. What that's going to be? Okay. So I hope you have done that. So let's check out the answer. What it's going to be? C for 100. L is 50. V is your 5. And I is your 1. So that will make out 150 plus 6. That is 156. Right? So that's congratulations if you've got the correct answer. Means you are connected till here. Okay, now let's proceed to the next step. If suppose I have a number, say, if the number is VI and IV. Can you see the pattern here? What the number is? It's VI. VI is like 5 and 1. And this is 1 and 5. So what has happened here? The numbers are the same, but the order has been interchanged between them. So this is a very, very important rule and I want everyone's attention here. See what happens. 5 is big and 1 is small. So this is a big number and 1 is a small number. So there is a basic rule in Roman numerals while we are writing the Roman numerals. Whenever we are shifting, going from big number to the small numbers, we add them. What happens? We add them. Which means what? I have to write 5 plus 1, which is 6. And now 1 is a small number and 5 is a big number. So whenever I am going from small number to the big number, we subtract. But we will not do 1 minus 5 because it will give us negative numbers. So what I am going to do is 5 minus 1, which is 4. Now you know the reason why 6 is written as VI and 4 is written as IV. If you have got this right, let's see if you can solve this question. Try to solve this. XC and CX. Again, pause the video. Try writing this answer, what it would be. Alright. I believe in like you have done this question. So let's check your answer. What it would be? XC. So what you can see? X you can write as 10 and C is 100. See the pattern, what is happening? 10 is small, 100 is big. So we are going from small to big. So what we have to do? Add or subtract? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. So this is going to be 100 minus 10, which is 90. So XC is what? 90. And CX, this is going to be 100 minus 10. And what is 100 minus 10? This is, oh sorry, 100. We are going from big number to small number. We are going to add them. So this is going to be 100 plus 10. That is 110. So this way, this rule is very, very important. When you're moving from big number to the small number, we have to add them. When I'm moving from small number to big number, I have to subtract. So let's move to the another part of it. Now we will try writing some big numbers. And let's see if we can crack that rule or not. So in DCIX. And then we will write XCVI. So these are the two numbers that we're going to try now. D is what? 500. C is what? 100. I is 1. And then X is 10. Now try to visualize this. Like what is happening here? 500, 500, 200. What is happening? It's a big number to the small number. Big number to the small number, what will happen? It will be added. So it is going to be 600. But what is happening in the second part of it? 1 is small and 10 is big. So it's going small to big. So in this case, we are going to subtract them. That is 10 minus 1, that is 9. And the number would be 609. Getting it? Let's try it the same way. X is your 10, C your 100, V is 5 and I is 1. Try to figure out the pattern, what is happening. 10 to 100. It is small to big. Small to big means minus. So that we're going to do 90. And further, big to small. Big to small, that's going to be added. The number is 5 plus 1, 6. And the final result would be 90 plus 6, 96. I hope you are able to understand the concept here. 97. Okay, let's check now how we can write. 90 can be written as 100 minus 10, right? And for 7, we can write it as 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 90. We have seen it previously also. 100 minus 10. So what will come? First 10 will come. That is X, C, and then V, I. Right? Okay. 176. So how we will write 176? That will be written as 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So 100 is C, 50 is L, X, X, V, I. So all of those who have got this answer, well done. You are on the track now. Now let's increase the number a bit. This would be a real challenge for you all. Now the number is 1746. Okay, so how we can write as a combination of these numbers? So now here we have got the thousands place also. So this can be written as 1000 plus 746 can be again broken, we can break at 500 plus plus 40. 40 can be written as 50 minus, can be written as 5 plus 1. So you can always write in this combination here. So 1000 is M, okay, 500 is D, then we have C, C, and 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. 40 can be written as 50 minus 10. So this is X, L, and this is VI. So this is the form how we can write as 1746. So students, we have learned so many different numbers. You can use it, learn how to write that, and two basic rules for writing the Roman numerals is first, remember all these symbols that we are using here, and secondly, whenever we are going from big number to the small numbers, what we have to do? Add them. And when we are going from small number to big number, we have to subtract. So you can revisit again and keep learning, keep growing. Samjho Maths and Jeeto Confidence.